In this video, you'll learn how to find the user ID associated with your WordPress account. This information can be useful for various administrative tasks and integrations. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser's address bar. Once the page fully loads, you should see various options related to your WordPress sites. Next, look for the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the option labeled Sites. This will take you to a page that displays all the sites associated with your account. Make sure your account is logged in to see your sites. After that, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. Once the menu appears, select Account Settings. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. You may need to wait a moment for the new page to load completely. Now, look for the section labeled Account Information. Click on this option to reveal more details about your account. This section contains important information, including your username and user ID. Next, find the field labeled Username. Clicking on it will display your username along with your user ID. The user ID is often found alongside or beneath the username, making it easy to identify. Be aware that if you have a large number of users in your WordPress environment, locating your specific user ID might take a bit longer. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.